All right, guys, let's go. We got 1,000 in the machine. Let's see what we can do, okay? We're going to start off with a $10 on the lay of a 4. Okay, that's a 10. Okay, let's go with 5. Whoops. 5. Let's go with $10 on the 5. Okay, so that's why we start with one number. If we see a lot of 7s, we're going to lay the 4, okay? All right, let's try the laying the 4. 6. Okay. All right, let's try it again. We'll go with a 5. Okay. Let's go 15 on the 8. And let's go no 4 for a quarter. All right, we hit our 8. Okay, let's clear everything off. Okay.
You can't win if you don't bet. Let's see some fun 6 money.
All right. Let me turn this just a little bit this way. All right. Let's go $10 on the 9. Okay, we got an 8. Let's go 15 on the 5. Let's lay the 4 for a quarter. All right, so we're going to get back $12. So we lost a little bit there. Got to go a little bigger on the no 4 there, okay? 10. Okay, let's go. All right, so we're going to lose $5 there.
Pay the double and the last stop, pay behind. Get your bet set.
All right, we're going to get the $5 back.
We're coming out. Please place your bets. Go 11. Frontline wins. Still coming out.
Oh, we got picked off. We got picked off there. All right, let's go. Let's go 15 on a 5.
8 easy. Down the line. No field 8.
Okay, let's go 20 on a 6.
All the top guys are available. 9er down the high. Single the field. It's time to place your bet down the high. 3 craps. Come away. Pay the dollar. Single the field.
Okay, let's go ahead and do.
Come on, field bet. How about some hard ways?
20 there. Here we go. All right, we hit a little 5.
Place your bet.
Okay, let's go.
Field bet. All the hard ways. Please place your bets.
Let's go with the 9.
6, easy 6. Down behind. No field.
Okay.
Place your bet.
Let's go 15 on the 8.
Hard board is open.
Let's lay 25 on the no 10.
3 clubs. Come away. Pay the down. Single the field.
Let's go 20
Field bet.
Make the no 10 50.
Place your bets.
Okay, well, here we go. 8. All right, we only have 15 on the 8.
Please place your bets.
All right, let's clear it.
7 to 1 on the hard 4. Bet it up.
All right, let's go 10 on the 6.
10 the hard way.
Good thing we got off that 10, right?
10 is a winner. Please place your
Let's
bets.
go 15 here. Let's go a quarter on the no 10.
Don't forget your odds on the 4. It pays 2 to 1. Let's get 'em all. Yo, 11. Take the dog. Good in the field and home.
Okay, let's go 20.
Take the dog.
Make this guy 50 right here. All right, we don't have a 9.
Single the field. It's time to place.
Let's hit it again.
10 on the other end.
That's not good.
10 is down.
All right, let's go. Let's pump these up, guys.
Hard 4 is open. Let's see some hard 4 money.
All right, let's make these guys a little bigger here, okay? Here we go. We need to get that 50 back.
9 down the high.
All right, we got 30. That's, let's clear this. All right, we're still in profit. So that's not bad, okay? All right, we're gonna start hopping these 7s. Okay, gonna do $10 on the 5. All right, we timed it good.
Place your bet.
All right, here we go. Let's go 10.
Line away. Pay the dump. Double the bubble. 9. Mark the dollars. Down behind. Single the field. Please place your bets. The field is alive after 9. 8 hard. Hard 8 pays 10 for 1. Great job.
Make that 15. Let's go with a 5.
On the odds. It pays blackjack.
Let's go with a quarter on the 4. No 4. All right, that's 2 times in a row we got picked off with our lay.
4 is gone. Please place your bets. 6 down behind. Don't come. Travel to the 6. It's time to place your bets. Put some money on the odds. It pays blackjack. 8 easy.
All right, we got back our lay money again. That's 2 times in a row. We lost it, and we got it back both times. All right, let's go with the 6.
4 soft. Hit the field. Hard 4 is gone. It's time to place your bets. Put some money on the odds.
Oh, dude, this is starting to get suspicious as hell, bro.
4 is down.
This is getting suspicious as hell, bro.
The field is alive after 9. Field bet anybody? 3 clubs. Come away. Pay the dump. Single the field. Place your bets. 6, easy 6. Down behind. No field. Place your bets.
it back again.
The field is alive.
So all we're doing right now is replacing what we're losing on our 4s and 10 lays. But that's very suspicious. Machines beat me 3 times now on the lay. So we'll see what happens, okay? All right, let's go back to starting with 1.
3 crops. Come away, winner of the dark side. Please place your bets. Come back, field bet. All the hard ways. Please place your bets. 9, down behind. Don't come to the 9.
All right, that was the point.
Please place your bets.
Okay, we got $5.
Stay behind. Please place your bets. 5 feet, no field, down behind. It's your line. It's time to place your bets. 8, down behind. No field, 8. It's time to place your bets. Don't forget your options. 2 crops. Come away. Double the field. It's time to place your bets. Take off. 7.
We only had 35 at 16. We lost money there. So we're almost even now.
We're coming out.
All right. We're not getting any long rolls at all.
Shooter bet.
We're not getting any long rolls.
8 hard squares there. Our point is 8. Place your bets. 9, down behind. Don't go to the 9. Please place your bets. 8 easy is good. Hard 8 is better. Don't forget your heart.
Wow. It's just taking that lay every time that we do it, guys. Every time we do that lay, it's taking it. Every time.
3 cups. Come away. Pay the dough. Single the field. Please place your bets. Take off. Lay up. Come back. Field bet. How about some hard ways? 6, down behind. Don't go. Travel to the 6. It's time to place your bets. 8 easy is good. Hard 8 is better. Don't forget your hard 8. 5, down behind. No field. Don't go to the 5.
All right, we got our money back.
You can't win if you don't bet. Let's see some hard 8 money. 6, down behind. Don't go. Travel to the 6. It's time to place your bets. Hard 8 is open. 10, easy 10. Down behind. Single the field. Place your bets. 8 easy is good. Hard 8 is better. Don't forget your hard 8. Down behind. 9, down behind. Single the field. Place your bet. You can't win if you don't bet. 3 clubs. Come away. Pay the dough. Single the field. Place your bet. 5, down behind. No field. Go to the 5. Please place your bets. 8 easy is good. Hard 8 is better. Don't forget your hard 8. 10, big bend. Down behind. Don't touch. Trouble with the 10. Please place your bets. You can't win if you don't bet. 8, down behind. No field 8. Please place your bets. Come out, roll. We're moving along, singing a song and let you some dice.
Oh wow, look at that.
Who's the lucky shooter?
It put a $10 over there somehow, okay? All right, let's go. Is the come out?
Easy 6, no field, down behind. The point is 6. It's time to place your bet. 6 easy is good. Only 6 is better. Don't forget your hard 6.
All right, guys. All right, we don't want a 7 here. Let's bump this guy up. Let's get one hit. Let's get one hit here. Here we go. It was only a $10 one, bro. Why did we only have that at $10, man? That sucks.
Come out, roll. The less you bet, the more you lose when you don't win. Let's shoot the dice. 6 off. The point is 6. It's time to place your bets. You can't win if you don't bet. 9, down behind. Single the field. Place your bets. Hard 6 is open. Better back 9 to 1. Who wants a hard 6? 10, big bend. Down behind. Don't come trouble with a 10. Place. 8 hard. Ray takes 10 for 1. Great shot. Place your bets. Put some money on the odds. Okay, 6 to 5. Let's get a roll.
All right, 10%. Nothing wrong with that. We played very safe. The object is to have more money than you started with. It's not a big win or anything like that, but it is a digital machine. It can be beat. We're not taking any risk here whatsoever. I mean, we're really taking risks where we can only lose like $100. So we're in good shape. So we'll walk with the $100. There's nothing wrong with that, okay? Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll make another one for you.